We removed 2 of these small rose bushes from in front of the house. And we took it from this spot right here and this spot right here. And we're going to be planting this arborvitae. It's called Gold Champion. Look at those roots. And it grows 6 to 7 feet tall. Yeah, that's a lot better. It's gonna look so pretty because it's like a yellowy green, like almost like a lime green, right?
Yeah, I think so.
It's gonna be beautiful.
I put some dirt back up in.
So it's gonna take the spot of where the rose bush was at. We still have a lot of work to do on this spin.
Yeah. We took this out from over here when I was taking out the rose bush, and then we also took out another. What is it? Hosta. We took out another hosta. We took out another hosta because it was in that area, and we're adding the alliums into the spot. We already had 3, but now we're adding 3 more.
It's a process.
We're gonna add in some clips. I got some clips from when we first started. I'm pretty sure of it, so I'll show that.
Look, all that dirt you just took out so you could use it for the other tree. We had other arborvitaes here that kind of burnt and we had to cut them out, but we had other ones throughout the yard. So we're just taking plants out and transplanting them. Let's see. Need more dirt. I'm gonna go show that. So just to show you what we meant when we said the other trees burnt, we got these trees about 4 feet tall from Home Depot, and this is what happened to them. We bought 9 and they all burnt like this throughout the summer. And it was this one here. And you can get your money back as long as you have a receipt or you use a credit card. And unfortunately we paid cash and we lost the receipt, so we could not get our money back for these trees. And we just put a little boxwood here for now until we decide.
Well, we plan on bumping it out in the fall, and we're gonna do a hedge of boxwood. So even though our hedge isn't bumped out yet, we are gonna put this here so that way it's here for the time being, so that way it's just easier. If anything, we'll move it out to right here, so it's not that far that it'll have to go. And we do have more boxwoods over there, but it's covered by Gara right now. And once we create the boxwood hedge, the Gara is just like lean on it, and it just looks really pretty having that pop of pink behind the green.
We just have to clean this out. We're working on getting everything sorted this season.
It's cute. Yep. You can see me in the door.
Like a little back more, but it's okay because it'll all fall out.
Oh, let me come down the steps. We got all these pumpkins, and then we got some mums going up the steps. And then on this side, see? On this side, we have a what is it? A bale of hay? A bale of hay, right? And then we got mums and more pumpkins. And then, let me see if I can zoom out. That's what the steps looking like. Oh yeah.
Their farmers market.
Yeah, I just feel like so many people out. So if you go to your local farmers market, you can find pumpkins more affordable than if you were to go to Home Depot or like Trader Joe's, like any stores like that. These are really pretty. Like I thought this was really cool because it has like all these like bumps on it. Super gaudy. Then we got this white one, and this was really pretty. It reminded me of like caramel. I grew this one myself. Not the cutest, but we grew it. So it's here to stay. And then we got this pink one, and this one is this is the star of the show. It's so beautiful how it has the green and then like that peach tone. So pretty. It just stands out so much. And then we have more mums. This one died, but I just have to cut it back and it'll grow next year. This one, I didn't expect it to be this big when I picked it out in the store, and it looks amazing in that basket. And these are smaller baskets. Then up here, we've Gloria just planted, my mom just planted more mums inside of this. So we had the cabbage, the ornamental cabbage, and she just planted the mums. And we recently went to Home Depot, and the plants, the trees were on sale. Let me zoom out. I don't know why I'm zooming out. And we got this one, and we thought she was really pretty. Did I not just say, I didn't say 50% off? No? Oh, so the trees, and I think the perennials too were 50% off. And it's really, really pretty. So this is going to be our corner plant. We're going to show you the corner. It's not looking as nice as it was, but it's really pretty still. And we seen a big one of this. And this plant was $11. But since it was 50% off, that's like $5.50. Yeah. So this is the juniper sea green, and we seen the big version of it, and it was just like so pretty that when we saw the smaller one, it was just like a must. We needed to have it. And then my mom saw this one in the back, and this pot is actually for a plant that's in the house that I have to repot. So I have this. It's called the Arborvitae Gold Champion. So it's going to be more of a golden color than it is green, but it's going to look so beautiful because we don't have any yellow in our space. So it's going to look really, really nice. And this is done from back. All this time. They could have used the third one right here. It's okay, it'll fill in.